Hello, this is a quick rundown of MyMathLab.com, the online homework system we will use for all assignments in this course. Once you have obtained an account and have signed in, this is the screen you should be seeing under Course Home. This is a quick summary of what's going on in the class. For example, there are upcoming assignments due Wednesday night, orientation to MyMathLab, due Friday night, section 1.1 homework, and due Saturday night, section 1.2 homework. These are also displayed over here in my upcoming assignments. I will rarely use this announcements tab as most of the announcements will be made on Moodle, but it is also available here. What I want you to pay attention to is your menu on the left. You can get a copy of the syllabus here as well on MyMathLab. More importantly, the homework and quizzes and tests tabs are located on this left menu. This is where you need to click in order to access the homework assignments. For example, I'm going to access the orientation to MyMathLab homework, and it contains 9 questions. And here's what it looks like. Alright, I'm going to close this out for the time being and go back to the homework tab, and say I click on 1.2. Notice a warning showed up. It says before you can work on this assignment, you must do the following. You must submit section 1.1. The software will oftentimes make you work on sections in order. So for you to start section 1.2, you must first submit 1.1. Alright, so you have quizzes and tests. This is where you will be clicking for your quizzes and tests. A gradebook breakdown, which will show you your grades for the course. Clearly, obviously, nothing's going on here other than the orientation assignment. Then there is also the discussion board. This is where you go to post any questions that you have as far as content or assignments go. Currently, I have started a Chapter 1 questions thread where it says feel free to post any questions from Chapter 1 here. So you could hit respond and type a response by asking a question. One other helpful tool is this Chapter Contents tab. It has a little arrow that you should click. And for each chapter here, for example, let's look at Chapter 1, you can get helpful resources other than what I'm posting on Moodle. So for example, there is more video presentations to watch here. Here's an example, some example videos. Alright. Or you could also access your textbook on MyMathLab by clicking this tab, and the ebook will show up. So that's what that course resource little tab is helpful for on the left hand menu of the site. So this is taking a while to load, but here's the ebook. Very nice formatting. You could zoom in, you could zoom out if you'd like, you could highlight, you could take notes if you wanted to. Okay, and you could also link stuff, you could take a capture, or we could switch to whiteboard view rather. Let's see what whiteboard view is about. You could have bigger margins, I guess, and you could experience this better. Okay, so that's the textbook. So once again, all of this is located under chapter contents. So there's video presentations and a link to the book for that section. You could also, I guess I should mention, you could also access those by hitting Multimedia Library. It's another way to get there. And once again, you could choose by chapters and sections. And you could select what resource you want. So here's some videos for that. Alright, back to Course Home. And that's that. Hope you found that helpful.